1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. New phrase. Pick up. 1 and 2 and 3. Staccato. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Together. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Staccato. 1, 2, 3. Now a little bit softer. Right hand changes up to a new position. Left hand stretches to a 6. 6. Right hand start on G. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Left hand, pinky goes back to 1, 5 on the 5th. C and F. Right hand continues. 2, 3, 4. Number 1 finger. Left hand let go because it's a rest. Crescendo right hand gets more exciting. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Staccato and strong. Now forte. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2. Crossover pedal. Let's do it one more time from the beginning. Still slowly. Are we ready? Let's go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. Now move to the new position. Left hand stretch C to E. Number 5 finger on E, number 1 finger on C. Right hand G. 1, 2, and 3. Move back to left hand. Let go of the left hand. Rest. 1, 2, 3. Back to F5 finger position. 1, 2, 3. Right hand stretch to D. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and slowing it down. Now from the beginning to the end, you should pause now and practice some before you come back for the next part of the video because we're going to play more up to speed. So after you finish practicing a little bit, come back and we are going to do up to speed now. And if you just came back, we're going to count and get you started. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Crescendo, ba ba ba. Happily now and merrily. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. La 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 la. Slowing pedal. I hope you have found today's tutorial to be helpful. Let me know how I can help you. Comment below to let me know what other Christmas songs you like to learn. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe, to like this video, and get notification for the next song. See you next time.